What's up guys, Adrian Amaral here with 911 Gadgets. It's been quite a little minute since I posted a video. In this video I'm just going to post a quick one on a batch of iPhone 10 devices that I bought. These are C quality, but the source that I'm getting them from, their C quality is almost an A. So I'm going to let you guys inspect them with me and you tell me what you think. Alright guys, so we're here, we got the box right here. Alright, so here they are. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, get them out. Here they are. These are all 64 gigabytes. They're unlocked, and as you can see, they're grade C. Okay. And just for the sake of the time of this video, I didn't go over all of these things because, like I mentioned, I trust this source so much. I know they're all going to be perfect functionality wise, guaranteed. And if not, if there's something wrong, which there's never something wrong with this source, there's warranty on them. So we can always exchange them or return them. But this one it gives you your battery percentage. You see this one's 93% battery life. Silver, iOS 13.3. Model number, data cleared. Passed, so they erased all the data already. Functionality, pass. Cosmetic, grade C. IMEI is whitelisted. Find My iPhone is off, and MDM is off. So I didn't go through all of this just because, you know, we have 10 of them. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. All right, so we're gonna start with the first one. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it says quality check is good, 97% battery. See that? Unlocked. Cosmetics is a C. Let's see what the C looks like. See if it's really a C. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here, guys. Okay. All right, that's see the back of it. Nice. See? It looks pretty new. Let's look at the front. Beautiful, guys. I'm not even going to turn them on. I'm only going to turn one of them on. Let's see. There it is. So the screen is in excellent condition. The back is in excellent condition. The frame all around is in pretty good condition, if you ask me. See that? Yup. Beautiful. Almost no scratches at all. There it is. The screen looks good. That's just a little piece of dirt on there. So yeah, all right, let's turn it off. One good, 9 to go, guys. I'm just gonna test them before we ship these out. That's the reason we're doing this. Always check, unless the client asks me to. To leave them sealed for whatever reason. Okay, here's another one. That's the front of it. Awesome. See that, guys? Okay. Put this back. Okay, so right here, there's a little bit of, a little bit of dirt right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right? Let's see. You see, so there's a little bit of dirt, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the toothbrush and just dust it off. I want to add a little bit of alcohol on that. So this is what we do to you know, for quality control, guys. There it is. So we just clean that off. Like I said, I just used a little bit of alcohol. Other than that, everything looks amazing. The frame looks good. I never ever have problems with these phones at all, so I don't even need to turn them on anymore. And if we do have problems, there's warranty, so we get warranty on these with no problem. No questions asked, they'll exchange them. So yeah, it looks amazing. Cool. 2 down, 8 to go. And the final one, guys, here it is. All right, amazing. And notice how we didn't find another one with the dirty speaker there, so there was only one out of the 10 that had that kind of dirty, and you saw how easy that was to clean. That's the back. And the frame. Okay, this frame is a little bit scuffed up, but not too bad. You see? A little bit of scratches, but it's not bad at all. Alright, there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for checking these phones with me. Out of the 10, only one had a little bit of dirtiness in where the ear speakers at. So all in all, these phones are in amazing condition. If you guys want to learn how to open your own cell phone repair shop, go to 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. In there, you will find a 5-day curriculum that I wrote myself in my own words on how to open your own cell phone repair shop. It's a 5-day course. I call it the do-it-yourself course because it's at your own pace, and it's only $39.99, guys. With that, you get access to our worldwide now Facebook support team. So there's people like you who joined the course and they got access to the group, so people have all these questions, and we're all a community in there. You know, I'm always there 24/7. People are there 24/7 helping each other out. So if you guys have questions, you guys can call me or text me, but I do advise you guys to post on the group, you know, so that I answer it publicly, and others can learn, you know. So there's people who have questions too that just don't think about asking them, or maybe it just helps somebody who just could use that information as well. So let me get this out of my face. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Email me at contact@911gadgets.com. Shoot me a text message, say hello, area code 951-399-7911. Visit the website 911gadgets.com. Right now my website is kind of on hold because of the whole China stuff that's going on with the coronavirus. So I put all my inventory out of stock. You guys can text me if you really need a screen or something. I can sell it to you. I'm just kind of holding tight to my inventory at the moment just because I don't want to run out and then not be able to help my customers. But once again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for going through all these phones with me. If you guys want to know where I got these phones from, definitely download the curriculum. All my sources are there for parts, inventory, tools, how to unlock phones. They're all in there. And aside from that, you do get access to that group where, you know, we can always share ideas. I can always post stuff. Like this video is going on the group as well. I mean, everybody on the group already knows where to get all these devices from. This is one source that we have. We have multiple ones. This happens to be my favorite source because, like I said, the grade C, you guys saw the condition that these phones are in. And these are all unlocked. And these are just, you know, they're ready to get. I just got them in. I'm shipping them out today too. So easy money, fast money. Take control of your life, guys. If you guys are kind of stuck between, you know, quitting a job to starting your own business, it's all right. You know, we're here for support, guys. We're here to support you guys. Join the Facebook group. We can walk you through, like help you, you know, show you different experiences on how you transition from being a barber, working 9 to 5 to, you know, just flipping phones or fixing phones or unlocking phones. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.